Here I've got VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, open the list of all apps and go to the settings. Here you should pick display and brightness, and as you can see right here you will find dark dim. So if you want to apply it, if you would like to use it, just click on this switcher. As you can see, it's been already activated. You can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping. But also you can personalize it. Just click on the left edge of dark dim, and here you can schedule it. It can be scheduled from sunset to sunrise, or you can custom time. So just click on turns on at custom time and pick the start hour and end hour. So from now on it will be enabled between 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. And this is it. You can also reach dark dim through the upper bar. Just scroll it down. Here you will notice the shortcut. Click on it, and as you can see, it's been already applied. And if you would like to turn it off, you can do it the same way, just by tapping. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.